Welcome to Ninja Monkey, another Vlogmas. I'm out, beautiful Gibraltar in the background. You might not be able to see me, the sun's directly behind me. I've realised that Vlogmas is a lot harder than anticipated. There's only a certain amount of hours in the day, there's only a certain amount of sunlight in the day, and I have a job, a full-time job. So anyway, I thought that I'd show you what I have inside of my messenger bag, my Peak Design messenger bag, and that way you can have a better idea of how I go about vlogging. So I'm going to move to another location where the sun isn't directly behind me and you can actually see what I actually have in here. Okay, so hopefully I won't get attacked by any apes, but the time has come. In this bag, basically, that I carry, you know, I usually have my tripod, Manfrotto tripod, which is what I connect my camera to. I usually put this on the side. Inside of my bag itself, I have my broken but still working microphone, and I have my camera, and I usually have my lenses in here also. What I do is I set up the microphone and plug it in, switch it on obviously, and I usually just hold the camera like this, just out with one hand. A lot of the time I don't actually use this. I only use this if I'm gonna like mount it onto the table basically. That's pretty much my setup. I also have the DJI Osmo, which I'm using right now in here, so that I can quickly grab it and use it whenever I want. But that is pretty much what I use in a setup and when I'm out and about. Everything is in this bag, including my charger just in case, extra battery, SD card, pouch, and please check out my video where I actually show you all of my equipment. I actually forgot to mention the lights that I use in that video, but hey, this is pretty much all I need for vlogging. This will help me when I'm in a restaurant, or if I really need to take a really far away sort of shot, I connect this to this. But that's it. The sun is going, it's absolutely stunning up here, it's beautiful. I forget how incredible the view is from here, and I keep on forgetting how beautiful the sunsets are. So, I know it's been a very short video, the light is disappearing on me, but if you did like the video, then please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're a new viewer. Hit that ding dong notification button to keep up to date with more Vlogmas and more videos like this. Let me know what you think. I mean, now I'm on my main camera actually, with my little Manfrotto tripod, and once again, beautiful view behind me if you can see it.